Let me get done eating that piece. What? Let me say thanks.
Whitney, say thanks.
Say thanks.
Whitney, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, parents of the year.
Thanks. Thanks.
Say again. Thanks.
You say thanks.
Whitney, look at mommy. Thanks.
You have too much food in your mouth, don't you?
What are you doing with your lima beans? Hi, Bailey. Whitney, thanks. All done? Say thanks.